Hello and welcome to Cooking with Shawn. Today, I'm quite hungry. I'm thinking of something light to eat. So, I'm gonna make those, those sausage puffs, but I'm gonna do a fast track one. So, I'm using only prata and sausage. That's it.
Let's get on with the whole thing. Hi guys, it's me again, Michelle. So the prata that we use, or the roti canai that we use, is this brand called Spring Home. So this can be bought in all leading supermarkets. You take a sheet out while it's still frozen, and like true style, you whack it up a bit. Whack, 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 whack. Just like that. And then you roll in a hot dog. Roll it nicely. Roll, roll, roll. And then you cut it out like cinnamon rolls, You slice it up in about an inch wide, and then you place it on a non-stick pan. We're placing it on a non-stick pan actually because it's non-stick. It's easy to come out. And you place it on the roti side, right? So this goes into a preheated oven which is at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's put it in. I think this goes in for about 10 minutes until it's golden brown. Ayo, Kadavale! Shawn, where is your chef's hat? Anyway, this has been in the oven for about 10 minutes. Look at it. It's so beautiful. It's golden brown. And as you sink your teeth in it, you'll feel and taste all the layers of the puff. And it's yum. You guys need to try it, y'all. It's just 2 ingredients, roti prata or canai, and hot dogs. So it's time to plate it. Be careful, this is very, very hot. Use tongs to transfer it into a nice little plate and arrange it real nicely. Don't just dump it there. You need tender, loving care, guys. And now let's put in some chili sauce. Oh gosh, look at it splatter. So there you go, guys. Chef's recommendation is to pair it with a packet of 2020 soya bean milk. Enjoy, guys!